Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get Animation Composer 3 for After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will add the link for the Animation Composer 3 in my description below. You can check it from there. So first let's go to our browser and let's search for Animation Composer 3. And let's click to enter. Okay, from here you can see the Mr. Horse site. It's gonna appear first. So let's just click to here. And as you can see, there is two options for the Mac and Windows. And I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download it for Windows. And as you see, it's already started downloading. Let's just click to this setup and let's press to run. Okay, you will get a window like this. So from here, let's just click to next. And you can change the folder of this Mr. Horse product manager. I'm gonna use it on the C folder. Also, I'm getting it for myself. So I'm gonna click to just me and click to next and click next again. And as you see, it's already done. Now let's click to close. Okay, now you will get a window like this. If you don't have any account, you can just click to create one and let's just click to here. And from here, you're gonna get a new window like this. And you can just create a new account or you can continue with the Google accounts. I'm already have an account, so let's back to Mr. Horse Product Manager and click to login with browser. And let's click to remember me, click to login. As you can see, we logged in. Let's click to login with browser again. And from here, click to open the desktop app and click to it again. And as you see, it's done. And to download Animation Composer 3, let's just click to install. If you face this kind of problem, you don't have to worry about it. And the reason why I faced this is because of I'm using After Effects 2021. And let's just click to OK. And after downloading it, you have to download the packs as well. Let's just click to install. And as you can see, we face such a problem again and click to OK. To fix that, let's just click to here and click to install other version. And from here, let's download the 311. As you can see, it's already started to download it. Now let's close it and let's back to After Effects. I think it's time to test Animation Composer 3. Before testing Animation Composer 3, let's create a new composition. For that, let's just click to here and create a new composition. Now let's go to the window. After downloading Animation Composer 3, you're gonna see it on here. Let's just click to here. Now let's test some things from here. Let's open the starter presets and let's see transitions. Okay, nice. Cool. Also, there is a transitions for the text layers. Let's open it. And as you can see, there is three options. The first one for the characters, words, and lines. Let's test the words one, but before testing it, we have to create a text. So let's just click to text tool and let's type a text. Okay, nice. Our text is done. Let's go to somewhere to here and click to enter and go to selection tool and move this text to here. Let's move it to here and go to character and change some settings. Okay. Now let's open this animate words and let's see which one is good. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this one. And as you can see, there is a 4 option for that. From bottom, left, right, and the top. I'm gonna use top one and let's just click to in. Let's see it. Okay, nice. Very good. Let's try one more. Let's close this animate words and let's use the animate lines. Let's use this one and click to in. Let's see. Okay, nice. If you have a long text, you can use it. Also, let's close the starter presets and let's open the starter precoms. From here, you can see the overlays, shape elements, social media, text boxes, and transitions. Let's open the shape elements. As you can see, there are a lot of shape elements animations. You can use it in your animations or however you want. Let's test these lines. Let's click to add. Okay, let's see it. Very nice. Also, if you double click to this composition, you can change the color of the lines however you want. For example, let's make all of them to the red, like this. And let's back to our main composition. Let's close this text for now. Let's see. Okay, nice, very good. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.